Let's have a close look at the Autel AutoLink AL329, which is a code reader and also an OBD2 scanner, which also checks for readiness on your auto's emissions. In this video, we're going to be showing the product right out of the box, plugging it in to the car, scrolling through the menu, and we'll be showing this interface showing that you can upgrade this device. I'll give you some of my reasons on why I got this product. Number one, I like the simple one push readiness button. Simply read and delete codes, and also we can update the software on this device online. It's small and compact, and I just keep it in my trunk. Now let's connect it to the car. I'll show you how it functions, scrolling through the menus. Here's the one-click I am readiness key, which quickly checks the state emissions readiness and drive cycle verification. You also have the option to check readiness scrolling through the menu like this. Now let's start by scrolling through the diagnostic menus. Select read codes. Great, I don't have any codes, but you have the option to erase the code. Now let's check out live data, which you can probably get more results by turning on your vehicle. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Now press the previous menu selection and go back to the diagnostic menu. Next, we're going to look at freeze frame. From the diagnostic menu, press the previous menu selection to go back to the home menus. Now let's look at setup on the home menu. Next, we'll go to the About on the home page, which gives you information about the device, the serial number, and also the password. Now, we'll go online and I'll show you how to update your device. This kit includes instructions on how to download the Maxi PC suite easily right onto your computer. Here, I'm selecting the correct one for my computer. Now you can connect your device to your computer using the cable that's included in your kit. On the home menu on this device, select Setup, and then scroll down to Update Mode. A blue screen will pop up and show your serial number along with your password. Once the software recognizes the device, it will prompt you to enter in your Autel ID, which is the serial number, and also the password that was on the blue screen in your device. You may see a list of upgrades available. Click Install, and it will update your device. You can click the tab on the top, Installed, and you can see what was installed on your device. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.